Welcome to Rishvi Limited. Stream Odoo Connector, full guidelines. Hi everyone. Today in this video, I will show you the integration between the Odoo and Stream. The main purpose of this integration is to automatically send the sale orders from Odoo to Stream and retrieve the run details from Stream to Odoo, and order updates and status from Stream, and keep both the systems updated without the manual work. So before we start sending sale orders or doing any other operations, we first need to configure the Stream connection in Odoo. So for that, go to the Settings and Users and Companies. Go to the Companies section, open your company. Here you can see the Stream Integration tab. Now here we can see Stream, base URL, client ID, and client secret. Using these credentials, Odoo authenticates with the Stream and generates an access token. So on the right side, we can see that Stream Connected checkbox is enabled, which means the connection was successful. We can also see the generated access token and its expiry time. So to establish the authentication, we click on this Authenticate button. This sends the authentication request to the Stream and retrieves the access token required for further API communication. And after authentication, we can click on this Fetch Reports button. This will retrieve all the available reports from the Stream and stores them in Odoo, so that they can be used during the order processing. I will show you all the reports which are fetched from the Stream later in this video. And next, we have this Register Reproof button. This registers the Odoo with the Stream, so that Stream can notify Odoo whenever the important event occurs, such as order updates or delivery status changes, etc. And here we have the Retrieve Webbook button. We can also use this button to verify the registered webbook details, like this, and ensure that the integration is properly configured. So now that the connection between Odoo and Stream has successfully established, let's move to the sales order flow and see how orders are automatically sent to the Stream, and how run details and order status are synchronized back to Odoo. So First of all, let me show you the depots which we have fetched from the Stream. Here. They are stored under the Stream menu section, Stream Depot. These are the delivery methods from Stream. So let's create the order. I'm giving the Stream order type as delivery and select the stock location. And under the delivery section, select the delivery method. And when you open the standard like delivery method, here you can choose the Stream delivery method. Select the Stream delivery method and confirm the order. And here you have Stream section. Here you do not have any values right now because the order hasn't exported to Stream yet. Now, after confirming the order, we can export the order to Stream by clicking on this button. So you can see the notification your export was successfully completed. After the order is successfully sent to the Stream, Stream Order ID is stored in Odoo here. This will help us to track the same order in both the systems. Let me show you this order in the Stream. So here you can see the order which we have created here in the Odoo. So let me create the run details for this particular order, and let's retrieve the run details into Odoo. For that, just go to Menu and click Advanced Planning. Select the delivery method that you have chosen, then you will able to see the newly created orders. So this is the order that we have created. To create the run for this order, first, we need to select the existing run, or we need to create a new run. Let me create a new run. Now assign the driver and vehicle. Now we have created and selected the run. Now we need to drag our order into this run. This is the new created order. You can just click on it and click on this Load into Run. It will be loaded into this run. So now you can bring back these run details into our Odoo by clicking on the Sync Run Details button manually or in the background. The automation, like a scheduled action, is always running for every 5 minutes, which will fetch the run details of all the orders which has been exported to Stream. You don't need to do that manually. It will automatically fetch the details. If you want to fetch the run details of this particular order manually, you can just click on this Sync Run Details button. Then you can see the run details has come, whatever the details we have given, like the driver name, vehicle, everything. So this is how we can fetch the run details of a particular order by clicking on the Sync Run Details button. And let me show you by changing the order status of this order, and let's bring back the changes into Odoo. So currently, the status of this order is planned. Let's change it to delivered. So just keep the delivery date and save the order. So to get the order status changes, we don't need to do anything manually in the background itself. The scheduled action always runs for every 5 minutes, which will fetch the order changes and it will update in our Odoo. Let me show you that. So this is the cron job. With the help of this, it will automatically fetch the status of all the orders. Let me schedule it to let it be. It is at 4/4. It will run in the background, and it will update the order of these two delivered. So let's wait and see until it runs. Meanwhile, you can check the run details of all the orders here. And the stream depots here stream services. You can create the new by clicking on here, and the delivery methods. Let's check whether it is run. It didn't run yet, so let's wait until it retrieves all the changes of order status. Now that it is run, let's check the details. Now you can see that this order status has been updated from plan to delivered. So this is how automatically Odoo will retrieve the order status changes for every 5 minutes for the orders. And similarly, it will get the run details of all the orders for every 5 minutes in the background. It will store it here under the run details, and you can check here. That's all about this video. Thank you for watching.